In this video, you'll learn how to create an accordion in Webflow. This process will guide you through the steps needed to set up an accordion component, which allows for a clean and organized presentation of content on your website. First, navigate to the Webflow dashboard, open your web browser and go to the Webflow website. Once there, locate the Sites tab in the left side, click on it to access your existing projects and sites. This is where you will manage all your Webflow projects. Next, to start a new project, click on the New Site button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking this button, the new page will load where you can choose the type of site you want to create. This is an important step as it sets the foundation for your project. After that, select the AI Site Builder option. This will lead you to a new interface where you can describe your site. Click on the appropriate button to proceed. Once you engage this feature, you will be prompted to provide details about the type of site you want to create. Once this appears, type in Create FAQ Accordion into the provided text field. This specific input helps the AI understand your intent, allowing it to generate a site tailored to your needs. After typing, confirm your entry by clicking Enter or using your keyboard. Following this, you will see the option to structure your site. Click this button to begin organizing the elements of your new site. This step is crucial for ensuring that all components, including your accordion, are placed correctly within the overall layout. Now click on the Generate Site button. This action will initiate the site's creation process. Depending on your internet speed and the server response, this may take a moment. Be patient as the system compiles your project. After the generation process, you may see a message prompting you to generate more themes. This is an optional step to customize the look and feel of your site further. You can choose to explore additional themes or proceed with the default options. Next, you will encounter a message indicating customize your design. Click on this option to access the design settings. Here, you can adjust layout, colors, fonts, and other visual elements to match your branding. Now, you will see a message that says, customize your sections. This step allows you to modify individual sections of your accordion. Make sure to tailor each section to contain relevant information as needed for your users. Continue by reviewing the message that says, generate a layout. This process is essential as it finalizes how your content will be displayed. Wait for the system to complete this step before proceeding. Next, you will see a message stating preparing site. This indicates that the platform is preparing the necessary components for your site. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a little time. After this, a message will appear saying creating sections. This is the stage where the accordion sections are being set up within your site structure. Allow the process to finish, as this is critical for the functionality of your accordion. Then you will see a message indicating drafting content. This step involves populating your accordion with the information you previously set up. It is vital to ensure that all content is accurate and relevant. Next, the message will indicate finalizing pages. This step is where everything comes together and the site is prepared for review. Watch for any notifications or prompts that may require your attention during this phase. Finally, you will need to wait for the process to finish generating. This message indicates that the accordion and your entire site are being finalized. Depending on the complexity of your site and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.